Hi, it's Ivy. That's the intro.
Welcome guys to our YouTube channel. Today Ivy and me are going to reacting to I'm the One.
By who?
By
ATEEZ.
ATEEZ.
First of all, my camera's tilted. Sorry.
So, let's get in.
You know nothing about ATEEZ, first of all, but I can't English right now because the song is so good. Well, my last video, I was playing this short snippet of ATEEZ and he saw it. If you don't know, this is like my editing director. Like after I edit, he like approves my edit. So he saw the edit of ATEEZ.
I like that edit that you did for your hair.
Thank you.
So like the hair.
Okay, we get it. Go watch the video. I'll link it. I'll link it right here. Watch it. Anyways. So yeah, he liked that song and we're checking out the music video. Well, I've seen it, but he hasn't. It's
because you always been waking up and watching premieres without me knowing.
I'm sorry, I'm a supporter.
Anyways, let's get
I'm an
into
18-y.
the video.
Yeah.
This intro kind of looks bad. No. I'm putting the fence. I'm putting facts and spinning facts.
Shut up.
Whatever. Meet the fireworks.
Oh, we miss them. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, here comes the fire. Hey. Why are you paying attention so hard? Yes, main vocalist. I'm getting you. Oh, Mickey's not here. I hope he's doing good.
I think he said
He has is it anxiety?
Her heart's not working. I hope this money goes to him.
Stop. Yeah. Oh, you know. Take it away. Pop it away. Ooh, you see his abs?
Why are you so obsessed with abs? I haven't even paused the video yet.
I know, that's surprising, guys, because you already know he pauses his videos like 10,000 times, and he hasn't paused it once. Oh, interesting. Oh, my alibis. Think about it. So it's fireworks. Yeah, that's what it says.
How is it fireworks?
That's you see the thing in Hangul before that I'm the one. It's fireworks.
Okay, he's about to make a fire.
He is the fire. Leader.
Is this like Yahoo?
What?
Okay. So listen. Yahoo is like a gang game. Like you like get a gang and then you just like buy weapons and stuff. You technically just like go with your gang.
So you're saying this man is a whole gang?
Isn't that just what the point is? Can I have that car?
Yeah. I know that's a fire car. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's some fireworks.
That's what I'm getting.
Ooh, look at who gave him that shirt? They ran out of materials again. Look at them. Running out of materials.
Yeah, at least they have that. I just wants to die.
I know, right? We all out here trying to die.
I mean, he has to get saved. We're not trying to get him to die, so then we can't leave it.
Ooh, that crop top. you're about to talk about the guns, aren't you? Look at you.
I love guns.
Oh my gosh.
So whenever you're playing a gun game, if you see me, just exit out the game.
He's terrible, by the way. Like, I'm so fast.
No, I'm not. I crank.
The red is everything. This was someone's era. I'm sorry. Stand back, everybody. This is someone's era.
I mean,
think about it.
I'll put some lights on you. I get a bunch of people.
Oh, you saw me.
Wonder why.
Yes, we are.
Wonder why the
streaming
song is
right
called
now.
Fireworks. I wonder.
Because do you see all the So ATEEZ does this thing where they make a trailer for their next video because all their videos are connected.
That is kind of
Yeah. ATEEZ Fire. Oh, the camera is never straight. But what's new?
whenever our videos have the camera just moving up like no one was there.
Oh, so sad. Anyways, what do you think? Now that you finally listened to, you already listened to the song.
Now that
you've seen the music video.
I didn't do much of skipping, so.
Mm-hmm. What? That means you like the song. This man stayed blasting it in the car. It's been 2 weeks since the song came out. Has it? Yes.
Nothing but trash.
Isn't it? Wait, when did the song come out?
February 2nd.
March 1st.
Come on, we're already late from 1 month.
It's been 2 weeks.
1 month.
No, we're still in March. Anyways, what do you think about the song?
But the song rate out 1
Is it fire or is it fireworks?
I mean, it's fire fireworks, fire fireworks, fire fireworks, fire fireworks.
Yeah, it's a good song. If you haven't listened to it, I'm gonna link it down below.
Fire fireworks. Okay.
Oh my God! You didn't even tell them to subscribe today. Goodbye. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye.
No.